What if your kidneys could be regenerated from your own cells? That is not science fiction anymore. A company just received clinical approval to do exactly that in humans starting this July. And that is just one of 4 major stories this week that together paint a picture of how fast longevity science is actually moving right now. Let's get into it. Welcome back. This week we have 5 major developments. The first ever reverse aging drug has been injected into a human. A free encyclopedia of over 500 longevity interventions just launched. Scientists reveal how your immune system is quietly maintaining your gut microbiome, and the world's first human kidney regeneration surgery is officially scheduled. A big week, let's break it all down. This is one of those headlines that makes you stop scrolling. According to Life Biosciences, the first ever drug specifically designed to reverse aging has now been injected into a human subject. We are at the very beginning of a phase 1 clinical trial, which means researchers are primarily looking at safety right now, not efficacy. But the fact that we have crossed the line from animal research into human testing is genuinely significant. For context, most longevity compounds we talk about on this channel, things that extended lifespan in mice or worms, never make it into human trials. This one did. That alone validates years of research into reverse aging mechanisms. Now let's be clear about what we do not know yet. We have no human biomarker data, no safety profile, and no confirmation that the biology translates from animals to people. Results will take months, possibly years. The practical takeaway here is simple. Bookmark this trial and watch for early safety data. This is the kind of story you want to follow closely as it develops, not act on prematurely. Now, here is something genuinely useful that launched this week. The Forever Healthy Foundation, a well-regarded name in the longevity space, has publicly launched evapedia.ai, a free open encyclopedia covering in-depth evidence reviews of more than 500 health and longevity interventions. We are talking supplements, botanicals, lifestyle protocols, rejuvenation therapies, all in one place with evidence quality assessments. If you have ever spent 3 hours going down a PubMed rabbit hole trying to figure out whether a particular intervention actually has solid evidence behind it, this tool was built for you. According to lifespan.io, the platform covers everything from first-generation rejuvenation therapies to everyday lifestyle protocols. For this community, the practical takeaway is straightforward. Go explore it. Use it as a starting point. Here is a finding that reframes how we think about the gut microbiome. Research published and covered by lifespan.io proposes that the immune system does not just passively coexist with your microbiome, it actively polices it. According to the paper, immune surveillance plays a central role in maintaining microbial composition throughout life by suppressing unwanted bacterial proliferation. In other words, a healthy immune system appears to be a key reason your microbiome stays balanced. And by implication, immune dysfunction, which increases with age, may be a driver of the dysbiosis we see in older adults. Dysbiosis is linked to inflammation and metabolic disease. And now the story that genuinely stopped me when I read it this week. Rocket Healthcare has received clinical approval for what will be the world's first human kidney regeneration surgery, scheduled to begin in July 2026. The trial will use autologous omentum-derived cells, meaning cells sourced from the patient's own body, to attempt to regenerate kidney function. This is early-stage human research, but the implications here are enormous. Kidney disease affects hundreds of millions. Successful regeneration could change that picture completely. Watch for results in late 2026 and into 2027. If the safety data looks good, this could validate therapies as a platform for other organ applications as well. This information is for educational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet, supplements, or medication. If there is a theme connecting this week's stories, it is this. We are entering a phase where longevity science is moving from theory into practice. If you found this useful, hit subscribe so you do not miss next week's digest. Drop a comment below. Which story surprised you most? I am genuinely curious. Next week we are going deep on one of these developing stories, so stay tuned. See you then.